Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And to get started, let's hold power key. From there, select power off and simply wait for the device to shut off. Now when the device has shut off, you want to hold power key and volume up till you see the Redmi logo on the screen. So let's start right now. Power, volume up. Now if it's not going to show up after like 5 to 10 seconds, let go of the power, start holding it again. There we go, you should feel a vibration, at which point Redmi logo should pop up, and from there you can let go of the keys. And that should take you to the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume down goes down and up goes up. And you want to select the middle option, wipe data, and then confirm it with power key. And again, press power key to wipe all data and confirm it. Now this will begin the process. At this point it's fairly quick, as you can see it's already finished, and you have the back to main menu options. So power key and power key once more to reboot and reboot to system. And the device will now reboot, and it will continue the process in the background, so it will take a little bit longer for it to boot back up, but once it has, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.